A standard trip to the ATM or your local bank branch can now result in the complete and irreversible loss of a retirement account. The American Bankers Association and the FDIC have issued formal, direct warnings, mandatory instructions detailing specific actions customers must stop immediately to protect their accounts. The threats circulating in 2026 involve sophisticated physical devices and coordinated psychological tactics documented by federal agencies just this year. The victims of these schemes are often sharp, educated retirees who are targeted specifically because they follow standard bank social protocols, being polite, accepting assistance, and trusting the branch environment. Navigating this landscape requires adhering to the 7 rules, a survival protocol for anyone who receives Social Security or uses a physical bank branch. In 2026, the traditional trust customers place in a bank lobby is being systematically weaponized against them. One mechanical scheme actively emptying accounts starts at the ATM. In 2026, the American Bankers Association and the Secret Service documented a spike in physical cash traps placed inside machines throughout the Philadelphia area. Criminals insert a small device into the cash dispenser slot that captures your bills. When you walk away, assuming the machine malfunctioned, the criminal removes the trap and the cash. Rule 1 dictates that your card never leaves your hand. Handing it to a stranger for even 3 seconds exposes you to a shimmer, a microscopic device thin enough to slide into the slot and instantly read your chip data. Rule 2 requires shielding the keypad with your other hand every single time you enter your PIN. Scammers use pinhole cameras and small mirrors disguised as ATM fixtures to record keystrokes from customers who believe they are alone. Inside the branch, bank policy requires tellers to look away when you type in your PIN. If an employee fails to avert their eyes, you have the absolute right to demand they turn around. Physical vigilance is the first defense. If a machine fails to dispense cash, stay at the machine and call the bank immediately. Maintain a strict no-contact boundary for your card and your PIN. That no-contact boundary extends to your mobile devices. Many victims lose access by handing over a smartphone to a helpful stranger or even a bank employee when an app isn't working properly. With an open banking app, 30 seconds of physical access allows someone to transfer funds, install remote access software, or add themselves as a trusted contact. Rule 3 is that your phone stays in your hands inside the bank. A legitimate employee guides you verbally while you enter the information yourself. Criminals exploit a customer's desire for assistance to bypass security features and gain total digital control over their finances. Rule 4 addresses high-pressure calls from people impersonating the IRS, law enforcement, or the Social Security Administration. Callers claim your identity is compromised or that you owe back taxes. They instruct you to withdraw cash to protect it in a secure federal account. The destination for this cash is always a cryptocurrency ATM or Bitcoin kiosk. Scammers insist this is the only way to safeguard funds. Once you feed bills into that machine, the cash is converted to untraceable cryptocurrency. It is gone. No agency can recover it. By May 2026, 30 states passed laws restricting these kiosks due to this specific scheme. Indiana, Tennessee, and Minnesota have moved to ban or strictly limit their operations. No real government agency will ever instruct a citizen to move money into cryptocurrency under any circumstances. Sitting down with a bank employee carries risk if you let the interaction's pace control you. Rule 5 states that you are never required to sign anything you haven't read. The fine print often hides automatic credit line increases, data sharing consents, and enrollment in fee-based services you didn't request. If you find unauthorized fees on your statement or were pressured into signing documents, you have the right to file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Slowing down the transaction is a fundamental consumer right and serves as a primary defense against exploitation. Banks now offer a trusted contact system. This designates a person the bank can alert if they notice unusual activity, providing a safety net without giving that person access to move your funds. To stay protected, shield your PIN, keep your phone and card held, stay put if cash doesn't dispense, ignore all cryptocurrency demands, read every document before signing. In an era of high-speed financial fraud, maintaining this level of deliberate caution is the only way to ensure retirement security.